So okay, so the Christmas season is upon us, but we won't leave you guys wanting because Gino and I plan to actually make a long-term video, not a long-term video, but a rather longer video that will encompass a race and what is this? What is this? Thank you. Caco, stand up straight. We can't see you. Sincerely, Gino. Seriously, dude. Come on, man. Caco, you have 5 minutes to fit this battery to your car. If you succeed, you may keep the battery. If you fail, you will pay for it. Pay for it. What do they mean by pay for it? Good luck, you're going to need it. Sincerely, Bosch. P.S. Listen to Gino. I mean, seriously, they really... This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Message will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Come on, man. Yo! Whoa! Damn. They weren't kidding. They were serious. Okay, so 5 minutes, right? This is actually a pretty prime battery, man. This is Bosch's silver technology, which means it's got more power and extended life. And then also it's got a more powerful starting in extreme temperatures, whether it be cold, obviously not here, maybe in Baguio, but in the heat, yeah, no issues. And then this is a maintenance-free battery, so it's got a leak-proof lid in the form of the Labyrinth, which is patented by them, and it's also got backfire protection. When does it start? When we start putting the battery inside the car.
I don't make the rules.
Oh my God. Oh, holy mo... How heavy is this? Oh my God. I'm not even gonna make it to the car. That's how heavy this thing is. Jesus. Oh. Why is the parking so far? It rained. That's not gonna be a problem, is it? I'm not gonna get grounded or anything, am I? Oh. Oh. You know, I'm a handyman myself, so I bring my tools everywhere I go. Okay, so time to open the hood, and we can begin this process.
Never done this ever.
You know they're close together. Shut up, Chad. Underneath the 2018 Mitsubishi Montero, it's a wait, this is not, sorry, got used to it. To tell you frankly, I will attempt to do this really in 5 minutes time. So I'm gonna leave my phone here. Okay, so we're 5-minute timer. I'm gonna get my tools. I'm gonna ready to go. So 5 minutes includes everything from taking the battery out, putting it back in, and making sure that it stays in. Are we ready?
And starting it.
And oh, I gotta start the car too. Yeah. Okay. Damn it. Okay. I missed out on that part. Okay, are we ready? Okay. Jack, you know what? I don't want to lose time, so you be the one to press start.
All right. And go.
So first thing is I gotta loosen the struts that hold the battery in place, and that's not going very well, is it? Okay, come on, that's not the 12, it's a 14 or 13. Okay, there you go.
Does your wife know that you're doing this to her car?
No, she does not know I'm doing this to her car, but I'm sure that she won't mind because I'm putting in a prime silver battery, man. So when she gets in and attempts to start the car, she's gonna notice that it is much, much stronger. Ugh. Okay, so first I disconnect the negative. negative lead. Ah! Ah! Oh, thank God. Time remaining, please.
A minute is past already.
A minute. Oh, God. 10. You know what I forgot? Well, you know what she is gonna be about, my wife, is that all her favorite radio stations and the equalizer are now gonna be back to zero. That is really gonna her off. Okay. Okay, that's heavy. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. 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 It fits. Now, I have to connect when you take the negative off, take the positive off, and then you got to put the positive on and then the negative on. Time remaining?
2 minutes.
Remaining is 2 minutes?
2 minutes.
There's 2 minutes left?
2 minutes left.
Damn it. Oh God, it's the wrong size. Oh God. Attaching the leads is not really the issue. The issue here is putting back the fasteners of the battery. That, I think, is going to be the issue. Oh God. Come on, come on, come on! Okay, okay, okay. Jack, time remaining?
A minute.
A minute? Jeez. Move, man! Oh God.
Seconds.
Count it. Count it. Take the phone.
6, 5.
I did it! I did it! I did it! Oh, I did it! I did it! I did.
That was actually 5 minutes.
It was.
I cannot stress enough, that was actually 5 minutes.
Okay, but to be fair, maybe some of the things are loose inside the engine. But okay, wait. But I did it. I'm so proud of myself. You know, this is not the first time. I'm gonna kill the engine. This is not the first time I've been around when the battery of a car needed to be changed, obviously. But more often than not, somebody was there to always assist me. This is actually the first time I've actually tried to change the battery on a car on my own. And if it wasn't for the 5 minutes, it actually wouldn't have been an issue at all. So, yeah. Thanks a lot, Bosch, for the new battery. Super appreciate it. This is one heavy duty battery. So, thanks a lot for that. I'm gonna need to catch my breath for just a bit. I'm so pumped though. We really did 5 minutes, right?
Actually, really
We really did it.
5 minutes.
Now how do I explain to my wife that all the radio stations have been wiped out? With calcium silver technology that offers high corrosion resistance with increased service life, Bosch Mega Power Silver car batteries are engineered for modern vehicles with sophisticated built-in electronic features, like our trusty Montero. And plus, Bosch innovative grid technology safeguards against performance loss over time. Well, we started on a scare when I lost the bolt for a bit, but after that, it was pretty straightforward. You disconnect the negative first and then the positive. Reattach the leads to the new battery in the reverse order, positive, then negative. I was racing to keep the whole process under 5 minutes, which I did, without Jack's help, by the way, thanks a lot. But truthfully, it won't take you more than 10 minutes to change your car's battery. I mean, it's faster than the line at the drive-thru of a fast food establishment. Please remember all the radio stations of my wife. Yeah! It remembers! I get to go home. I'm not going to get lynched. It remembered all the radio stations. We're clear. She'll never know. Wait. She watches our videos.